The cool thing about this Epson 2800 printer is that instead of having an ink cartridge that you have to replace, you actually have ink that you pour into these tanks for the different colors. And if you're traveling, especially like on a boat, traveling around the world, the printer cartridges are not the same for the same model and printer, like for the States or for like South America. So you can't get the exact ink that fits if you're in a different country. So for this printer, it's just ink, and you just open the door, open the cartridge, and fill the ink in. And I mean, it's a full printer, but it's great for small spaces because it is small. It's a scanner and a printer, and it's really nice to have for travel because like when you go into another country on your boat and you need to make copies of your documentation for them, and they may charge like $4 a copy just to make a copy of your passport, and you can make them right here on your own boat. And it can hold different sizes of paper. You can change the size to hold different sizes of the paper. So like if you're using photo paper, you can just move the guides in and it knows it has photo paper in there, and it'll just print right onto the tray. So if you're looking for a printer to have on your boat that is small, compact, and does scanning and printing, this is a great option for you. Prints really good. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.